So as a voice actor, there's a lot of odd but really fun things we get to do in the booth that I don't think people really think about. One of those things is called emoting. So you're probably wondering, what is emoting? Well, emotes are those noises that the character makes that are like, hoo, yeah! You know, those noises. Like your character's hitting something or getting hit. That's kind of what those are. So you're like, okay, yeah, I know what emoting is. I've heard of it. I just maybe didn't know the name. Yeah, that's fair. I'd say that's a pretty common thing in voice acting. But I think the part that people really don't think about is, what does emoting sound like if you're outside the booth? It's probably somebody dying or, so. But it's just such a common thing in voice acting, especially, animation, video game, that it's something you do all the time. You just almost forget about it. But yeah, let me know in the comments if there's things about voice acting that you didn't know or want to know about, like demystify. There's a lot of things that I just think are common that people tell me, nope. Well, yeah, anyways, have a great day. Bye.